Hello children, let's continue with chapter number 2 of standard 8, that is linear equation in one variable. We have already started with exercise 2.4 and we have completed 3 questions. Let us move to the fourth one now. So that's your question number 4. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. Again, you have a two-digit number. If you remember, in the last video, we have discussed that whenever you have a two-digit number, the digit in the tens place is multiplied by 10 and the digit in the ones place is multiplied by 1 and then they are added to get the two-digit number. This is compulsory and this is a very mathematical statement. So, let's continue reading it. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, then you get 88. What is the original number? Now let's begin with the digits separately. Our solution will take the first statement as, let the units place digit be x. Now here we are told one of the two digits of the two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. So if the digit in the units place is x, the digit in the tens place will be 3x. Here we are not told about the numbers, which one is greater and which one is smaller. I mean whether the tens place is larger or the units one. So this is just our consideration. We have taken units as x, so tens will become 3x. You can take it the other way also in this question, not in each and every question. It depends on the question asked. Now, let us make the original number. As told, the tens place digit will be multiplied by 10. So it is 10 into 3x. And units place digit is multiplied by 1. So x into 1 is x. And finally they are added together. So the statement is 10 multiplied by 3x plus x. Solve it and you get it as 31x. So our original number is 31x. Now we have to get the interchanged number. We have reversed the digits. So now the new number is 10x plus 3x. So you will see the digits are now interchanged. In tens place it was 3x. Now it is in ones place. Beforehand x was in this units place. Now it is in tens place. Solve it. This is simple. 10x plus 3x, which gives you 13x. So your original number is 31x, new number is 13x. Now the relation is given between these two. When you add these two, the total was told to be 88. New number plus original number equal to 88. Such conditions are always given. So whatever condition are given, accordingly a statement will be generated and you will substitute the value. Here, ultimately, after substitution, you will get it as 13x plus 31x equal to 88. 44x equal to 88, which can be simplified further to x equal to 2. Now, x was your units place digit. So, digit in units place is 2 and digit in tens place will be 3 times, that is 62. The number will be 62 or it can be 26 also, depending on the x that you have taken. We have taken it as units place. You could have taken it in tens place also in this case. Accordingly, the required number will be 26 or 62. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 5. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. So, two people are there, Shobo and his mother. You can see it in the picture. Okay. Obviously, Shobo's age we will be taking as x years. His present age to be x years because he is younger. and that is how mother's present age will become 6x because it is 6 times. Then Shobo's age 5 years from now. Today it is x, so after 5 years it will be x plus 5. And that will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. Mother's present age is 6x. So its 1/3 will be 6x upon 3. So the statement is x plus 5, that is Shobo's age after 5 years, it is equal to 1 by 3, that is 1/3 of 6x, that is his mother's present age. Now rest is all mathematical. Right hand side can be simplified further. X plus 5 equal to 2x. Solve it and you get x equal to 5. And your x was Shobo's age. So you will say that Shobo's age, the present one, it is 5 years, and his mother's present age will become 6 5s are 30 years. It's quite easy. Let's move to the next one. Question number 6. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. Shape of the plot is very important. It is rectangular, because if we understand that, we will have to recollect the formulae related to it. Now the length and the breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. The ratio is given. The values are not given. Whenever the ratios are given, we find a multiplier. We take that multiplier to be x, and then we get the numbers as, that is here the length and breadth as 11x and 4x respectively. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? Ultimately, you have to find out the length and the breadth. So, you have the plot. The length we are taking to be 11x and the breadth will be 4x as told earlier. Solution will be, let x be the common multiplier, length equal to 11x and breadth equal to 4x. Now, we are supposed to do the fencing of it. Fencing is always done on the periphery, that is on the perimeter, around it. It's never inside. So all around we are making the fence. That means we are talking about the perimeter. So here we will need the formula for perimeter of rectangle, because the plot is rectangular in shape. And children, these are, you can easily understand, these are all real life examples. These things actually occur. So let's do the calculations and let's find out the length and breadth. Perimeter of the rectangle is 2l plus b. You all know that. Substitute the value. L was 11x, b 4x. So just substitute and solve. You get the perimeter to be 30x. Now there is one condition that is given here. The condition is 100 rupees per meter is the expenditure and the total cost is 75,000, and we are doing the fencing. The length of the fencing is 30x. So 1 meter 100 rupees. So for 30x length, that is the entire length, it will be 30x multiplied by 100 and the total cost is 75,000. So the statement is 36 multiplied by 100 equal to 75,000. Solve it. Get the value of x. X comes out to be 25. This is your common multiplier. Now we will find out the length and the breadth. Length is 11x. That is 11 into 25, 275 meters. That is the length of the plot. And the length of the breadth will be 4x. That is 4 into 25. That is 100 meter. So, you have understood the basic concepts here, and I hope you have understood how important mathematics is in your actual life. So keep practicing more, you will enjoy it. Thank you for now.